2, 3, do it!
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be installing these on my wife's truck. It comes with 4 of them, rock lights. Then it comes with the controller, I guess. Connects all of them together. And then it's literally just 2 wires after that. I already got one on right here. Then I'm gonna put it just right there. And then on our model, these 07 to 13, they have a hole right there where you can just pop this little thing out. I just ran the wire through there and then run it over here, and then there's the wire right there. And then I'm gonna do the other side the same, and then I'll figure out the front. But then I'm gonna put all of them first, all of the rock lights first, and then figure out where I'm gonna mount these, the controller after that. I got the front mounted up. I'm just using the holes that are already on there. You can see where on the passenger side, that hole right there already. It's perfect. I don't even have to do anything. I just have to make it a little bigger so I can run this through it. What happened?
So they're play fighting with her.
It's pretty cool how they put 3 different colors to make the pink.
Yeah.
Putting on the new headlights. The stock ones were pretty, not that bad, but they were kind of old. Got the grill out. You can see that one's a little worse. Factory paint. Even under the VIN number. Factory paint. The satisfying part. I should probably do that after, huh? Yeah, we'll do that after. I don't want to scratch it when I put it on. This is the other side though. Wait. There you go.
Get to making with jive, boy. Stay shy. when it hits you. Yes, indeed. Yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you. Yes, indeed. Yes, yes. When it hits you. Yes, indeed. Yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, you holler. Yes,
1, 2, 3, do it.
It doesn't sit as good as the stock ones. You can see it leaves a gap. I didn't have that one with the stock ones. So I'm just gonna try to like maybe move it a little bit and then tie in the bolt. That way it stays there. But looks better though. Ah, there you go. Wow. Boom. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.